To redeem a Nintendo eShop card purchased from Amazon, start by locating the email sent by Amazon after the purchase. Open the email and click on the link provided, which directs to a page related to games and codes on Amazon. Next, open the eShop on your dashboard. Select the Add Funds option, found under the menu on the 3DS, and choose Redeem a Nintendo eShop card. Then, enter the code from the email to complete the redemption process. Alternatively, it is also possible to redeem the eShop card directly on the Nintendo website. To do so, visit the Nintendo website, sign in, and scroll to the bottom of the homepage to find the Redeem Code option. Retrieve the 16-digit code from the email and enter it. Then click the Redeem button to finish the process. Redeeming a Nintendo eShop card from Amazon is a straightforward procedure that can be completed in a few simple steps, either through the email link or the Nintendo website.